Okay, we got the other part done. Now we got to prep the actual disposal. Let's get our drink out of the way. First thing we need to do is put the discharge tube on. You know, they don't put it on for you because it takes up room. I would suggest that you don't use your teeth whenever you pull these bags apart. You know, if you go like this, and you're like me and you got fake front teeth, you're liable to pull them right out. Just get the, make it into a Y, and just pull it. And then when that doesn't work, just stick your screwdriver through it, like that. Yeah. All right. Okay, so all we're gonna do is, once again, all we got to do is take this. You want to look at it. One side's rounded, one side's flat. Put the flat side in, put the rounded side out. It's got a little rubber bushing thing right here. It's gonna slide up inside, and this is like, it really made these a whole lot easier to install. The hardest part was what we just did, and then getting all your plumbing to line up. Alright, tighten this up. Now, I do have a dishwasher, but the way this plumbing is done is the dishwasher actually goes into my plumbing beforehand. So, honestly, I don't think I want to knock it out. I don't want to do the knockout. If you're going to, you actually use a screwdriver and hit it, and it breaks out that little plug. So, I'll show you what I mean. You see how that goes? Now, I'd much rather it be in the garbage disposal because it'll keep stuff from being trapped up in there later, but until I redo all these cabinets, I don't think I'm gonna mess with that. So, now, let's do the electrical. All right, my cabinet is already pre-wired, so I need to remove this cord. Because mine is hardwired to a switch, and I believe, yep. I got to take a little nut off right here, and I think that will allow me to access this. I would have chosen one that was not pre-wired, but I really didn't see one. So, but it's as easy as that. I mean, woo. So, the bad thing is these are crimped. So, that means I've got to cut them. Go ahead and disconnect the ground. As I can. I want to leave as much wire as I can. warning on this that says do not remove. I plan on putting it back in. So, all y'all out there that are going, oh, well, quit. Check it out right quick and then I'll come back and see what we're going to do. All right. Now, to position this thing up in here. And then this got little hooks right here that will ride up on this collar and makes it tighter and tighter. This is probably the second hardest thing you're going to have to do, because whereas it only fits one way. Kind of a pain in the rear. Why they make this thing like this, but I guess that's what it seems like. Okay. Now, while it's still semi-loose, you want to figure out how you want to get it for an alignment on your plumbing. My plumbing is going to be weird because of where it discharges in the back. Instead of being straight in the middle, it goes down quite low. This is how it was originally. And I could do something like this again. But problem is, I don't have, it doesn't allow me a P-trap right here. I could do it this way and then just add a P-trap. I could add the P-trap right here, do a double P-trap later. It didn't have but the one underneath the garbage disposal to begin with. Come out would work. Just need to get my water line moved in. I'm going to do it this way. I don't want that water line behind it. Well, if nothing else, that just looks cleaner. I have this part somewhere. I'm gonna stick my big fat head in the way. Oh, that's pretty close. Yeah. Alright, I get this piece. We're good. Okay, so I think I got a working plan. I'm gonna go to the hardware store, get my junk that I need for my water lines, and connect these, and then we should be good to go. Good to go. We'll test it out, get it wired in, and hopefully it works. I'll be back with you whenever I get it all stuck together. Well guys, there it is. It's been tested. I've ran it. Oh, it's actually a pretty clean install. I do need to add that P-trapper right there. Such an odd kind of thing here, but I'm gonna give this a little bit of time. I've ran 2 sinkfuls through it. I ran a sinkful through the mowing with it on, just making sure, and it all seems good. I don't have any drips, but I am going to leave this open. I took that old crap out that was on the shelf liner in here, and so we're going to let this sit. So that's going to be it for this one. You know what, guys? That wasn't too bad. And it saved me about $300 between getting the faucet installed and getting a new garbage disposal installed. Good night, I can't think today and think what I'm talking about. But it saved me a lot of money. And you can do it too. So go out there, get your hands dirty, build breakers, blow something up. Today we broke some stuff and then we fixed it and then we made some other stuff work, and that's how it goes. So you guys be careful, and until next time, tell your friends, tell your family, tell a zombie if you see one. We're going to install a fart fan next episode. Catch y'all later. Bye.